This animal doesn't chase you, it reaches you. The giant turtle. If you ever stand in front of this monster, it can tear you apart, and exactly what almost happened to Jeremy from River Monsters. These turtles strike like traps, they hunt fish with a lightning-fast snap, and some have necks longer than their shells, meaning they can grab you from a distance you think is safe. Their speed is unreal, escaping is almost impossible, and their bite force rivals a lion's. And if you want the turtle with the longest neck ever recorded, meet the snake neck turtle. Its neck doesn't look like a neck, but a coiled serpent.